Welcome to FleetPride.com, where you can easily find, purchase, and manage all your heavy-duty parts needs. This video covers the Buy It Again feature, designed to streamline reordering. There are multiple ways of accessing Buy It Again items. First, when using the main search bar, any item that has been previously purchased in the last 18 months, both online and in store, will appear in the search results with a green label that says Buy It Again. If you only want to see previously purchased items, you can check the Buy It Again filter in the Refined By section on the left-hand side of the page. Another way to access the Buy It Again feature is from your My Account menu at the top right-hand side of the page. Then, click the Buy It Again link listed in the drop-down menu. From here, a list of your previously purchased items will appear. This information shows you transaction history for the past 18 months for both online and in-store purchases. From here, you can use the in-page search bar to identify an item you're looking for, but may not know the part number for. Have questions? Our heavy-duty experts can help. Click the chat button on the right-hand side of any FleetPride.com page. Our chat team is available 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Alternatively, you can email us at customerservice@fleetpride.com. Click the Help button in the FleetPride.com header for more ways to learn why FleetPride.com is the first click in heavy duty.